Hello fam, happy you are here with me. During this moment we have this problem: 20 to the power x minus 4 to the power x equals 384, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 384 into two numbers such as 24 times 16. Next, we are going to break down 24 into the summation of 20 plus 4 and express 16 as 20 minus 4. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 20 to the power 2 minus 4 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe to support the channel.